My name is Eva, and I'm the Partner Sales Lead for Intelligent Cloud covering EMEA. What is Intelligent Cloud? For that, you will need to come and learn more in one of our workshops. For today, I will talk to you a little bit about Azure. Since 2000, 52% of Fortune 500 companies are gone due to digital disruption. Companies are responding to that by building a strategy that focuses on four main pillars. The first one is they are transforming their product. The second, they are improving and optimizing their internal operation. The third one is really empowering their employee more because the market is changing so fast and they need that every employee can adjust based on what's happening. And the most important pillar, they're actually engaging differently with their customer. Companies are aware to the fact that the path to growth and innovation in their market go through digital transformation. And that's why they are investing heavily to make sure that they have the right people, the right technology, and the right resource in place to support that. Look, for example, on Uber. They are a company that disrupted the transportation market a few years ago, and now they are worth more than $60 billion. Why digital transformation is important? Let's look ahead to 2020, not far away from now. In 2020, 1 million new devices are expected to come to the market every hour. The connection between people and data in this amount of devices will create billions of transactions, billions of data that we need to capture and analyze. In 2020, we expect that the average years of a company in S&P 500 will be only 12 years, compared to 60 years just in 1960, not far away from us. We also know that by 2025, 60% of the computing services will be in the public cloud. So how we capture all that information? Are we ready from people, from resource, from technology with the right statement to handle that future? The cloud brings with him a lot of different questions that we need to address. What is the new role of the IT people? How we handle security? Do we have one technology solution that fits everything? Or do we need different solutions and have a best and match approach? Those questions are some of the questions that we are trying to answer here at Microsoft. The cloud is not only technology, it's a journey that the customer needs to go through, and we are here to support that. The cloud, for us, the cloud platform, Azure, is the best way or the best fit to the demand of the modern workplace today and the modern marketplace. When you choose Azure, you get a platform that is productive, hybrid, intelligent, and trusted. What does it mean? Let's go a bit deeper on that. Being productive is basically the ability to choose which language or code you want to use, which application, open source, Microsoft solution. Everything that you feel comfortable with, you can actually incorporate into Azure. Being productive means that you have more than 100 services that you can incorporate in your solution, and they are ready for you to be used. And all of that is when you have end-to-end management portal that give you the ability to view what you're doing, how you deploy, and what is the best way to go to the market with. Hybrid, a big word. A lot of people talk about, but Azure is really the only platform that gives you a real hybrid solution. Hybrid means that you can incorporate cloud and your on-premise solution. It's great when you have already heavily invested in an on-premise offering or solution and you don't want to miss it, but you also need to scale up through the cloud. Hybrid actually gives you the ability to work in the best approach that fits your business in the current time. And it might change tomorrow, but you always will have the choice to pick up between full cloud, hybrid solution, and keep some of your solutions, some of your application in on-premise. Hybrid also means Azure Stack. Azure Stack is also an extension of Azure. It's work like cloud in the terms of on-premise. Think about a situation when you have application on mainframe that cannot be moved to the cloud, or it's tougher to move them to the cloud. Think about regulation, local regulation that prevent you to go to the cloud. Think about challenge of connectivity and latency. All those topics are covered in other workshops that we have, and my colleague will discuss about that. But as for today, I just want to make sure that you understand that you have choice as well. Azure gives you the ability to pick up, to use the same API tool, the same management, the same scale of the cloud in your on-premise solution, and all of that with Azure Stack. Azure Stack is sold through our hardware partner like Dell or HP, and we are more than happy to elaborate more on that in our workshop. Azure is not only migrating your app or platform from your on-premise to the cloud. Azure is not only lift and shift your server. Azure also gives you the ability to leverage your data in a smart and intelligent way. Azure gives you the ability to actually take this amazing asset that you have in your organization, and normally we are not putting a lot of attention around it. Take all the data that capture in your operational system and leverage that to make your organization smarter when you approach the market. Microsoft invests significantly in the ability to use artificial intelligence to really leverage your organization and be more competitive with the market condition. All of that great stuff that Azure offers, productivity, intelligence, cannot happen without a trusted environment. Organizations today understand that they need to keep their data safe. They need to make sure that no mistake happen in this space, mainly after the GDPR came to life in last May. So today, we are presenting the approach of Microsoft around security and trusted way. We are leading the discussion from a global point of view. You can see a list of certification that we have today, and it's just part of what we are investing in. It's super important for us to give you a trusted experience with your most precious thing, your data, your operational data, your customer data. And it's something that we are putting a lot of effort around that. And in the same way we are doing that internally in our platform, we give you the same experience. The Azure Security Center gives you a visibility on where your data and your security is standing today. It gives you the ability to enforce policies. It gives you the ability to react fast to behavior that are not the normal one. And we are giving that in the same transparent way that we are doing that for ourselves. We understand that it's important for enterprise to have data nearby. They don't want to know that their data is far away in a region, in a geo they don't familiar with. That's why we are investing heavily to build data center across the globe. Here today, we have more than 54 data centers open for you to come and visit if you want. We are the only one that invested in South Africa and other regions and opened up a data center. Today, we have more than our competitor combined data center across the globe just for you. On top of the data center, we have more than 1.6 million miles of fiber that are connecting those data centers and give you an amazing experience that we are leveraging for you. Azure is not only Microsoft, although it's our cloud platform and we are very happy with. Azure is also a home for a lot of other solutions, ISV solutions, partner solutions that find Azure as the best platform to leverage their offering. It's also the same approach of having the ability to choose, giving you the ability to choose what's best for you. So if you have already a Cloudera solution or a Red Hat solution, you don't need to change everything just because you want to go to the cloud. You can leverage the power of Azure and still stay with your solution that works for you, that fits you. And last but not least, Azure is really a productive, trusted, intelligent, and hybrid platform. It's work for you. That's why more than 95% of Fortune 500 companies choose Azure. Come and learn more with us. You're welcome.